Hi friends, if you have a DJI Osmo Mobile 6, then you may be pleased to know that it's now actually possible after a firmware update to be able to remotely control your Osmo Mobile 6 and view what's also on the mobile screen via your iWatch. So this is an incredibly useful feature if you're vlogging and you want to get maybe some B-roll yourself, maybe some distance away from your mobile phone. So let's find out how to use it in this video. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to first of all go to your iWatch, and you need to then go to the App Store and do a search for the DJI Mimo app. And now once that's actually on your phone, of course, you need to make sure you switch on the Osmo Mobile 6 and connect your mobile phone in the normal way, and to make sure you are running the DJI Mimo app on the mobile phone on the Osmo Mobile 6 as well. So once you have the DJI Mimo app loaded on both the mobile phone and the actual iWatch itself, you should see that the watch will automatically connect to the mobile phone, and you should be able to see what you're looking at on the watch, basically like a live view of what you're seeing on the mobile phone. So you can then of course walk some distance away and able to control the mobile phone. So what you can do is, for example, you can remotely switch on the active tracking feature by double clicking the icon at the bottom right. And once you do that, of course, the active facing tracking feature is on, and you can then do whatever you need to do. You can remotely control yourself, and then when you're finished, you can then toggle it off and then walk back to mobile phone and do what you need to do. Other nice features, of course, is you're able to start and stop the recording directly from your iWatch. So once again, if you're some distance away, that's really a nice handy feature. And the last thing that you're able to do is you can also control the gimbal direction as well. So if you click this little icon here, you should see a little tiny joystick on the screen, and you can just move up the gimbal up and down and left and right. So I think this is a really nice feature that they've now introduced on the Osmo Mobile 6, the ability to control it via your iWatch. And I think a whole load of vloggers, and including me, are going to find this feature really, really useful. So I just wanted to tell you about it, guys, because I was really excited when I found out they released this. Okay guys, so again, if this video is useful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And of course, if I could trouble you for a subscribe to the channel as well, that would be really, really handy. Other than that, guys, take care, and I shall see you soon.